Good afternoon, folks. It's barrier draw time on this Melbourne Cup day. I hope you've had a fantastic day thus far. Back plenty of winners. And we hope we can cap your day off with a good barrier draw for Gloucester Park, Friday the 7th of November. Bumper 10 race program. We're going to kick things off with race 1, the second division of the M1 to M3 mobile. We will therefore require horses and barriers 1 to 6 plus 8, please. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. Horse 7 will be barrier 7, and that's Dashing Christian, as it is the only M2 in the race. For purposes of the draw at least, anyway. First horse out today will be horse number
4.
Horse 4 is first out, and that is In the Perfect Storm. Barrier for it is
6.
So 6. Next out
5.
is Miami Terror. Barrier draw for it is
5.
followed by horse
3.
3, which is Extreme Bromac. Barrier.
3.
Next out is
2.
Bromac Jamie. Barrier.
1.
Followed by
6.
horse 6, Miss Atomic. Barrier.
4.
Then we have
8.
horse 8, which is Zupan 3. Barrier will be
2.
Then we have
1.
horse 1, Captain Bromac. Barrier.
8.
Alright, in summary, Chromac Jamie 1, Zupan 3, 2, Extreme Bromac 3, Miss Atomic 4, Miami Terror 5, In the Perfect Storm 6, Dashing Christian 7, Captain Bromac 8. Thank you.